Stupid thing Ford did to the Transit van. Can you see it? This is a current generation Transit van. So down here they have this protruding plastic here. Has no purpose. It's too narrow to step on. So what's the point of having this stick out like that? Because when I install a real step, this gets in the way, and I had to cut through the plastic in order to use this step, in order to allow space for the foot to go on the step. So it should be flush with the body so that we can add our step and not have to cut this out, because that doesn't look good cut out like that. But there was no other way to get a step there unless I get some kind of a special, much more expensive custom step that comes out further, but then that will cause the problem of hitting things when I park, because you don't want things sticking out this far. For example, parking blocks and all kinds of rods and things sticking out. It's just stupid. Why did they do this? And then it bevels in there where you would not have a step. Over there is the way this is the way it should be, and they got it coming out here where we're supposed to be putting a step for the sliding door to get in and out. It's just stupid.